Hi, and welcome to another video by Get It Done Home Repairs. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a screen from a window. The first thing we got to do is we got to take this screen assembly out of the window. And to do that, these windows are a little different. All windows are a little bit different. This one is one that actually the windows tilt out, so we could loosen up the two lock tabs up on the top right up here. We pull the top of the window out, and then we pull the screen assembly. It does not come out this way. It comes out from the top this way. So, all right, let me show you how to do that. First thing we do is we're going to close this window down partially. We're not going to close it all the way, because if we close it all the way and we tilt this window out, this part is going to hit into the sill here, and it's not going to open all the way, or you're going to snap this off right here. So we're just going to open the window just a little bit. And up on top here, there's two little tabs on both sides of them. You just push them to the center, and then you pull the window, and it opens up like this. You want to hold it. You don't want to drop it, because if you drop it, you'll be changing the window. All right, then we take this little tab, take that off like this. Take this one off as well, like that. And then we just pull the screen out like this. Remember, you lift the window up just a little bit. You push the little tabs in here, and pull the window, and it opens up just like that. We're going to take our screen, put our screen back in position. Rotate the lock tabs to hold the screen in place. Close our window. And as you can see, the difference is like night and day. So removing the screen and replacing the screen is not as difficult as you thought it would be, as long as you know this trick. All right, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.